dogs, we're going home.
YouTube. Sa YouTube dito yan. Kaya kaway kayo.
Video ba yan? Yes, ako sa YouTube. Alam, tatawa lang ng mga estudyante ko.
This is the prettiest. And this is the most beautiful. And this is the most gorgeous.
Okay na lang, ang dami mong alam na adjective.
And I'm the Miss Universe. Ano to?
And I'm the trendiest.
Yeah. Ito.
Ang edgy pala, hindi pwede gamitin ng sa trendy, di ba? Edgy.
Oo.
Iba ang meaning ng edgy.
Parang negative, ano?
Parang negative. Papatang mo
Ayan. Sige, pause ka.
Di ba yung yung sa'yo ay yung nasa tayo?
It's raining.
Ewan ko tayo.
Rainy days on sunny days, always day.
O yung ganda ko. Isa sa akin dance sa'yo. Ayun na niya sa naka-pink.
Naka-pink, siya nagpalitan dyan.
Hindi, pangit yun.
Just, lalagyan natin na kasi. Lagyan natin ng notes. Sir. Just look for us. Sir, just look for us because we're looking for you. Nagkakalang ka pala. Sir, just look for us because we're looking for you. Please read. Repeat after me. Medicine. Psychology. Sociology. Biology. Politics. Again, politics. Economics. Say economics. Genetics. Meteorology. Meteorology. Geography. Zoology. Agriculture. Marketing. Manufacture. Education. Purposive sampling. Quota sampling. Quota, diba? Accidental sampling, snowball sampling. Quota, diba? Quotation. Non-probability sampling. Thank you very much. Ding, ding. That's where